Hi, Scott with Water Heaters Only, and welcome to another edition of It's Good to Know. In this segment, we'll be talking about water softeners. If you live in an area with hard water, you may be tempted to install a water softener. While we never tell you not to do that, we do want you to understand how that may affect your water heater. If you have a standard residential storage tank water heater, having a water softener can reduce the life of the water heater. That's because the anode rod, which is installed to help extend the life of the water heater, will often corrode even quicker when water from a water softener is introduced into the water heater. Without getting too technical, water heaters will eventually succumb to corrosion from the water inside the tank. This happens because water and steel simply don't get along. After a while, corrosive minerals as well as the minor electrical current produced in the water all contribute to the water heater eventually failing. The anode rod attracts the corrosive materials and basically lets them corrode at first, thus helping the water heater function longer. The water softener itself works by replacing some of the minerals in the water, such as calcium and magnesium, that cause the water to be considered hard with sodium. This process increases the conductivity and corrosiveness in the water, thus causing the anode rod to corrode sooner, and then the water heater may fail sooner as well. On the other hand, tankless water heaters do not have an anode rod, and so are not affected like a standard storage type water heater. In fact, a water softener may actually help extend the life of your tankless water heater. So if you have a water softener and a standard storage type tank water heater, you should definitely still flush your water heater every year and have your anode rods checked every few years and replaced if necessary. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In the meantime, thanks for tuning in to another segment of It's Good to Know. I'm Scott with Water Heaters Only.